Today I am going to teach you how to get ungated in the grocery and gourmet food category on Amazon. So, to get ungated for any categories or brand, what you are gonna need is an invoice with a quantity like a purchase of 10 units of a product from a specific category or brand, right? So today we are going to talk specifically about the grocery and gourmet food category, as I said, and there's two ways to do it. So the easiest way, if you do not care about wasting a few dollars, if you just want to buy a product and just get rid of it, like, don't use Frontier Co-op. So Frontier Co-op is the main way to do it. It's a great way to do it because if you actually want to find a product that you can actually sell for a profit, so it's really good if your capital is tight, you can potentially find one on frontiercoop.com. Not the regular website, it's going to be wholesale.frontiercoop.com. Right? So before we get into this website, if you do not care about wasting $20, $30 to get ungated and like just get rid of the product or use it yourself, just use the Amazon to Amazon method, right? Stop watching this video, go watch my video on the Amazon to Amazon ungating method. What you're gonna do is just find the cheapest product you can find in the grocery category. So I did a little search for you guys. Here it is. So here are the cheapest product in the grocery category. So right here, this is the fastest selling one. You are not gonna make money reselling it because you are gonna buy it for $2.98 per unit, right? $2.98. So you're gonna spend $29, like $35 with tax. Just get rid of the product, get the invoice from Amazon, watch my video, as I said, on the Amazon to Amazon ungating method, and you can stop this video right here. No need to go further. That's it. That's how you do it. Now, for the rest of you guys that stayed, because your capital is tight, you do not have $29 to waste, and you want to find a product that you can potentially resell, right? You can use wholesale.frontiercoop.com. Do not go on frontiercoop.com, use the wholesale part of the website, right? So this is the website. You're gonna need to create an account, okay? So there's two options right here, right? So since you guys want to make money, like do the thing with the $10 activation fee because you're gonna save 10%, right? So if your order is for more than $100, like you're gonna make money like with the discount. So fuck the non-member account thing, whatever, the 10% surcharge. Get the $10, purchase a few products, make your money. So on Frontier Co-op, you can get ungated in groceries, but also OTC and also topical. So do those three and you're gonna make the $10 back, right? Same thing with the other categories. If you do not have money to waste, you just want to find a product that's profitable, you're gonna need to put in the work. You can find them right there on Wholesale Co-op. If not, same thing, do the Amazon to Amazon ungating method, right? Which is totally safe, by the way. Yeah, do not let anybody tell you otherwise. Now, here's how you're gonna do it. So if you're on what you're gonna need to do is basically manual source the website. What does that mean? You are gonna go through all the products that they have on the website manually. Find something. So for example, this product, all right? You're gonna open it. It sells for $7.36, right? So you are gonna copy the name of the product. So you're gonna copy all this, the brand and the name of the product. You are going to paste it on Amazon.com. You look for the product, and here it is. Yeah, my Prime membership will not renew because I did not pay for it because I removed my credit card from my Amazon account. Right? We all know it. I said it in multiple videos. So that's how you would do it, basically. Now, your best bet is, by the way, you are going to go, before I forget, you are going to go right here, shop by category, select the category you want to ungate. So for this video, it's the grocery category, right? So your best bet if you want to find profitable products is going to be to check product on sale. You can check right there, on sale product, right? If you don't find any product, then check the other products that sell on the websites. It's going to take some time, but you can find profitable product. It's going to take some time, but if your capital is tight, you do not have $30 to waste, just do this. Once again, if you do not care about $30, $40, just do the Amazon to Amazon method, get rid of the product or use it yourself. All right? That's it for today. If you want to learn more about Amazon, if you want to ask me any question, just click the link in the description. You can join our Discord server. We are a few sellers networking, talking, helping each other. Come ahead, hang out with us, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. New video every day at 3 p.m.